Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can create Facebook shops cover in Canva. Facebook shop cover is a very low competition niche to work on. You can easily sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. If you own your own Facebook shop, you can also use this skill for your personal use and create beautiful and eye-catching Facebook shops cover. So let's get started. First of all, we will go to Canva, and here in search bar you write Facebook shop cover. It shows us different templates of Facebook shops cover. So we select this one. The size of this template is 1024 by 1024 pixels. So click on this and it shows me different templates. So let's assume we want to create a Facebook shops cover for a shop which sells cakes. So I click on create a blank Facebook shops cover, and after that it is loading in a new window. This is very easy skill, and it hardly take 2 to 3 minutes to create a Facebook shops cover. And in this tutorial I will teach you how you can create a beautiful design of Facebook shops cover. So let's get started. First of all, we would like to select a template. So I like here food. I want to create a Facebook shops cover on food. So that's it. It provides me different templates. So I like this one. This is a good template. It is loading. We just wait for some seconds. So it is loaded. First of all, I would like to change this image, so I delete this image and it shows us a cover. So I select photos app and I write here cake. It provides me different beautiful cake images. So I select one of them, and I want to select this one. So I click on this, and after that I place it on this. So I want to change the background color. So I apply this color, this color, this color, or this. No, that's good. I also change this color. So I think it's look good. So that's how you can create a Facebook shop cover in just 2 to 3 minutes. And it is a very easy steps to create a Facebook shop cover, and it is a good skill to work on. So keep working and practicing on this skill, and sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. But I want to change the image because this image is not suitable for this background. So we will check some other images. So I think that's one is good. So I place this. Yeah, this image is looks good, great. So uh, that's how we can create a Facebook shops cover in very simple steps. So that's it for today. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family, so that they can also learn small skills and earn good amount of money. So you can also check my free Canva graphic designing course playlist on my channel. So there I taught many skills, many small skills on Canva, from which you can earn good money. So that's it for today. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.